Alright, and there you have it, just a quick, short and sweet unboxing of the Galaxy S9 Plus. I know there are a ton of them out there on YouTube, so I just wanted to do a quick one for you there. And we can just go ahead and quickly take a look at some of the settings here. We'll go into settings and check out About Phone. And just to see what is running out of the box here, so it looks like Android 8.0 Oreo, along with the February 1st security patch there. So that's really nice out of the box. And we can go into device maintenance, check out the storage just to see how much storage TouchWiz is eating up, and it looks like it's about 14.5 gigs out of the box, which really isn't too bad given how heavy-handed TouchWiz can generally be, or Samsung experience. But that's just a quick look at the Galaxy S9 Plus. I'll be doing a bunch of accessory videos, so stay tuned for those, as well as my usual camera comparisons and my first impressions to let you know what I think about the device personally, because there are just a ton of videos out there. Hopefully you want to know what I have to think about it. So stay tuned for that, and as always, thanks for watching.